Chevrolet Impala 2014 to 2020. To change the license plate bulb or the light assembly itself, you need to pry the light from one side using a screwdriver or a plastic trim tool and pull it out. After that, twist the bulb socket to the left to remove the bulb.